How to post on Wix website, blog, website tutorial. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create our own blog on Wix, how can we add posts, how can we manage our website design, and all of this I'll show you in this video. So here we are on wix.com, and in order to get started, just simply click on get started, or if you already have an account, click on log in the right top. In my case, I already have an account, and after a small registration you'll come to this page, to our work panel, where we have a lot of options. But what we need is that we need to click on create new site in the right top, and after that we need to answer for the question, what kind of website are you creating? In this video we are going to create blog website. As you can see, we also have like a couple of different topics, but I recommend you to click on next here, and after that we'll be able to find all the templates about blog. What would you like to call your website? Let it be like helper months blog. Next. And here click on skip in the right bottom, because I don't recommend you to use these features. We can add them a little bit later. And after that everything is done, we can start setting up your website by going to dashboard, but I recommend you to click on begin with the template. So click on this little text here, and we'll be able to find all the blog templates. So yeah, Wix provides us the opportunity to organize templates we already have, and let's say that we want to create some personal blog or creative CV or something like this. So as you can see, we can find a lot of different templates here. So I'm going to use this template here. I'm going to click on view. As you can see, it's like about fashion, but we can easily organize it as we need. So here we have like main photo, like a small text, and also we have our blogs. So yeah, pretty cool. Just simple post page and like a small about page or something like this. As you can see, also all the templates by Wix are totally responsive. So let's click on edit this site in the right top, and after small like processing, this website will be set up as a base for our website. So after that we'll be able to interact with posts and the design itself. It may take a little time, depends on the server's capacity or something like this. And what do I recommend you to do after like creating a website is to manage pages. So click on page and menu, and here find all the like pages we have. We have a home page, blog, and about. In my case, I want to delete about page, and yeah, let it be like only home page and blog page on our website. You can easily add pages by clicking on this button here. They have a lot of different templates like about, services, projects, contact, and so on. Depends on your purposes. In my case, we also can go to blog pages, and here as you can see we have blog and post. Also, I recommend you to manage general things such as text group and also like color palette. So click on site design in the left side menu, and here we can change color theme. I'm going to change it generally, let it be like this. And also I would like to change font group. So let's go to text theme, change text theme, and I'm going to use this one. I recommend you to do that because you can easily customize all the things on the website according to text and also like to color palette. The next thing we can do is that we can delete or like add different sections. So I'm going to delete this section here, delete, and I would like to add instead the other like welcome page like this. And as you can see, now we just simply need to customize every single stuff. So we can edit elements, we can delete, manage them, we can change like text and different like, you know, different stuff about different elements. We can change different parameters, and we can add elements by clicking on the plus here. We can add text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, and so on. So when everything is done, we can publish our website, and we can then start to manage our blog, what's inside, how can we post our new created posts. So in order to do it, we need to click on go to dashboard here in the left top, click on go to dashboard, And after that, we need to open our blog panel in the left side menu, click on posts, and after that we'll be able to see all the posts we have. As you can see, we have no published post yet. We also have a draft folder, pending review, scheduled, trash, and so on. So here we can click on create a new post, and after that we can start creating. As you can see, just like as a simple editor, we can add a title, we can add a post stuff, we can add different images, photos, gallery. There are a lot of elements we can add. I recommend you to discover it by yourself. As you can see, we have images, videos, GIFs, files, galleries, dividers, buttons, tables, and so on. Also, we can find some additional settings, SEO stuff, tags, and monetize. How can we monetize our own blog? And when everything is done, when your post was written, we can click on publish in the right top, and after that we'll have this post right up here. So let's try to create just as a template. I'm going to write some random text, and as you can see, to publish your post, give it a title, then we need to add the description like this. So now we can click on publish, and our post was automatically published to our blog. Yeah, now we have it like this. So now we have a couple of options. We can edit it, or we can move it to trash, or see some reports and something like this. Let's say we want to edit, so we can open it and then just simply edit all the information in the same way. Also, we can find comments. We can divide posts into different categories. We also have text, writers, and monetization. If you want to monetize your blog, you can monetize it with pricing plans, Google AdSense. We can get paid through forms, and also we can create different online programs, online store, and different bookings. So if you want to see a lot of tutorials of how to edit some other things, for example SEO, marketing, or analytics, I recommend you to see my other tutorials. You can find the playlist at the end of this video. And if you're going to discover paid plans for the Wix, we can see that they provide us the opportunity to use 4 different plans: Lite, Core, Business, and Business Elite. In my opinion, in order to start your blog, it's enough to use Lite, or you can easily even try to use it for free without any payings. And after that, you can then decide, would you like to upgrade your plan or not. In my case, I think it's enough to start with even first plan. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.